Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sirs.
Good evening.
Please sit down
Thank you so much.
and introduce yourself.
My name is Niharika Singla. I currently reside in city Dhuri, which is situated in Sangrur district. I have completed my Bachelor of Laws in the year 2022, and currently I am pursuing my LLM degree from Punjab University, Chandigarh.
Hobbies?
Sir, I like to do art and craft. I like to do meditation also, and sometimes I make greeting cards for people on different occasions when I'm free.
Meditation ਕਾਦੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ?
Sir, I do chakra meditation. We have 7 chakras in our body, and
What is Kundalini Yoga?
So Kundalini is when you have energy which is from the root chakra, awakening from the root
कौन सी
chakra.
नाड़ी में होती है? कौन सी नाड़ी में होती है? The Kundalini is in कौन सी नाड़ी में होती है?
Sir, I'm sorry, I do not.
Sushumna.
Back side of
Sushumna. It's
sir,
called Sushumna
नाभि के पीछे होती है.
chakra. And where is the Kundalini? कहाँ बैठी कहाँ होती है?
sir,
Place, location.
Sir, I can take a guess. I think it's in the root chakra,
मूल चक्र.
mool chakra.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Are there different sounds with all the chakras?
Yes, sir. Every chakra has a different frequency.
Okay.
And
What about the
depending-
Sahasrara chakra?
Samsara chakra. Sir, I think it's the crown chakra,
Okay.
which is located above our head.
So all like Buddha and Mahavira and all the gurus, do you think their chakras are all open?
Sir, I feel that when they have attained nirvana, all the chakras were opened.
Okay. Fine.
वन 114A एविडेंस एक्ट की हैगा presumption.
Sir, 104A of Indian Evidence Act, it states about the shall presumption in the case of the rape cases, that the magistrate, judicial magistrate has to take a shall presumption of the consent of the woman who is alleging that she has been raped.
Magistrate decides the case.
So, please repeat.
Will the magistrate decide the
Rape case.
So, judicial magistrate. It's a
Rape case.
A session judge.
Sessions judge or additional session judge. Presumption of absence of consent has to be taken.
Yes.
The person who alleges it is a consensual, onus will be on him to establish. Law will presume that there is absence of consent.
What is your weakest? What do you think? What is your weakest point?
Sir, as far as I can say, as far as I feel, I think I sometimes I become over-analyzer. Sometimes I do deep research in a topic which is not even required. So I think I waste my precious time sometimes, and I
So
think
you may fall in this trap when you become a judge. You might be doing over-research in every point. Then your judgments will be delayed.
Sir, I will work on the weakness definitely
Okay.
during
Now,
the training.
Here I'll take a break for others. See, this question is asked many times in the interview, that which is your weakest point. So the best answer is that my weakest point is that I work too hard. All work and no play.
That should be positive.
Then question
I am workaholic.
I'm workaholic. So this is my weakest point, sir. And I'm not able to give time to my family also because I'm a workaholic.
To health, I think I'm not able to give time to my health also sometimes.
Yeah, don't say that, but just say I'm a workaholic. That I feel that is my weakest point.
Positive लेके जाना ना, negative question positivity ले.
Right. Okay. What is section 100A of CPC?
Can I take 2 seconds?
Yes, please, please.
Sorry, I am sorry. Section 100A, second appeal.
Appeal.
Sir, it is related to appeal, and I can take a guess. I
Right.
think it is related to appeals in case of small causes.
First appeal, second appeal.
It's the second.
High Court.
The 100, it's related to.
100A.
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
Okay, no problem.
recall.
I'll phrase it in some other way. A single judge of a High Court passes a decree. Can it go to a divisional bench in appeal?
Yes, sir, it can go to division bench. There is a provision of latent LPA.
No,
That
there
is
is a
in
bar
patent.
given by 100A. 100A gives the bar.
Okay.
Okay, what are latest patent?
Sir, I think it's an appeal which goes to the division bench.
Letter patent.
Letter and patent appeal.
Latest patent. No, not appeal. What are latest patent?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to comment.
Which high courts were established by latest patent?
Chartered high courts, I guess
They were chartered high courts,
under the
exactly. Which were
chartered
those?
Sir, previously there were Madras High Court, Bombay High Court and Delhi High Court.
No,
And
Calcutta High Court.
Calcutta High Court.
Presidency
sir.
town se hai na?
The presidency seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you think there is so much of global warming?
So there can be many reasons for the global warming. One of the major causes is the pollution and deforestation also, due to which the oxygen levels are decreasing in
Do
the
you
carbon.
think that high emissions because of the too many vehicles in the world are contributing to this?
Yes, sir, they are contributing to the.
So is it giving rise to what we call greenhouse effect?
Sir, greenhouse effect is when the rays from the sun, they get trapped inside the Earth's atmosphere and they are not reflected back. So which raises the Earth's temperature by few degrees. So that's the greenhouse effect. And the emissions definitely they release certain gases which traps the heat and which do not let it reflect back to the atmosphere, outside the atmosphere.
Okay. Have you some idea about NDPS?
Sir, I know the full form, but I have not read the Act, bare provision of the Act.
Okay. What is the standard of proof on a accused in NDPS?
Sir, I think if it's a criminal case.
No, NDPS. It's a criminal case.
Criminally
Yes, it's a criminal case, then
narcotics.
it would be beyond reasonable doubt.
What is normally the standard of proof on an accused?
Sir, on an accused in criminal cases, it's beyond reasonable doubt.
On accused. Suppose the accused has to prove it's a right of private defense. I was exercising. What is the standard of proof? Preponderance of probability.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
That's on the prosecution.
On the
Okay. By which famous judgment was it held that the onus of proving the guilt of the accused lies only on the prosecution and no one else, and the prosecution has to prove it beyond reasonable doubt? Which was that famous case?
Sir, as far as I can guess, it was, I think, Dayabai Chhaganbai Thakur case.
Woolmington versus PP,
Okay, sir. I don't.
1935, English law.
Okay. I have no
Okay.
idea, sir.
Your question.
What is the objective of Juvenile Justice Act?
So, ma'am, the objective of Juvenile Justice Act is to provide relief and to provide. Can I take 2 seconds? Sure. It is basically for minors, for orphans also, and for children who are abandoned. So it provides care, shelter homes to the orphans and to the minors also. And
Minor for what purpose?
when they are abandoned or when they are orphaned, and when they have been alleged in a criminal case, so they are provided the shelter homes and the welfare homes, because their trial is not the trial which is done in the court. The trial is different.
And for what purpose a children court is designated?
For
what purposes like children's court are designated?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to grasp the question.
Okay, so
There is
basic.
Juvenile Justice Board.
Yes, sir.
There is a children court. Why those courts were created, children court? What was the object?
Sir, I think the object was to provide a children-friendly environment, so that the child who is
ਨਿਰਭਇਆ ਕੇਸ ਪੜਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ,
yes sir.
ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹੈ। 16 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 16 ਤੋਂ 18 ਇਅਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੈਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ। ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਜੁਵਨਾਈਲ ਜਸਟਿਸ ਬੋਰਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰੈਫਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਕੋਰਟ ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਇਜ਼ sufficiently mature, he planned the things, they entered into conspiracy. He has acquired that level of intelligence where he should be tried by a children court. Juvenile court ਤਾਂ 3 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੈਦ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ, maximum limit is 3 years. Children court ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ 10 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਕੈਦ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ।
Who are petition writers?
Ma'am, I think it's provided under Punjab Courts Act. They are the lawyers which are appointed by the High Court
Petition
who
writers,
write petition, I guess.
ਅਰਜੀ ਨਵੀਸ
Sir, I have no idea.
ਪਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਅਰਜ਼ੀਆਂ, ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨਸ, ਆਲ ਮੈਟਰਸ, ਸੇਲ ਡੀਡਸ, ਡੀਡ ਰਾਈਟਰਸ, ਪਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਰਾਈਟਰਸ। ਲਾਇਸੈਂਸ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਡੀਸੀ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ।
Sir, petition writers? No sir, ਹਾਂਜੀ sir. So they give a test also. There is a
License
test.
is there.
जी,
This is right.
जी sir.
Okay, what are writs?
Using the word may, can be which I think.
What are writs?
So writs basically are there are of many kinds as provided under the Indian Constitution. They are filed on the basis of different objectives. For example, in the writ of habeas corpus.
Is the writ jurisdiction of High Court larger than the Supreme Court's writ jurisdiction?
Sir, writ jurisdiction of High Court can be said that it is larger than the Supreme Court because in Supreme Court the writs are filed for the violation of fundamental rights, whereas
What are those writs called?
So those writs are called. There are 5 writs.
Any name for them?
Sir, I am
Prerogative writs.
not. Sir.
Okay, and ordinary writs. Ordinary writs under High Court are put up under which article?
So writ jurisdiction of High Court is under 226 of the Article 226 of the Indian Constitution.
Okay. Suppose there is no remedy in CPC, can I go and writ? Suppose I want some relief and it is not available in CPC. Can I put up a writ? For
Sir,
example, can I put up a writ for an interlocutory order?
Sir, in this case, if we have, the Honorable Court can use power under Section 151.
No, it's
if
not
there
there.
are-
Suppose
no.
nahi kiti, chalo. Interlocutory order hai, chalo. Now.
But yes, sir, if it's a violation of legal rights, so the person can approach Honorable High Court for the same.
Is there revision of interlocutory orders?
Sir, no, there is no
Okay,
revision.
now since there is no revision,
No, sir.
where do I go?
So we can go under writ jurisdiction.
Writs. Okay. Niharika, you again lack of lot of study needed because you're not clear about your laws even now. And secondly, don't use the word can I. Of course you can, but you may not. Please don't use the word can I. You can, of course. Obviously.
अंदर enter होने do you say can I come in?
No, may I come?
May I come?
Please use
इसी
the word
तरह
may.
ਜਦੋਂ permission
Can ਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਹੀ
ਲੈਣੀ
ਸਕਦੇ
ਨਾ,
ਹੋ.
guest ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੈਣਾ can I, may I. can ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ right ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, may ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ request ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ।
Yes.
Yes.
Can the matlab है you are of course
ਇਹ
obligated.
ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ I think.
Yeah.
Never
I
start
think
your
would-
answer which I think.
Yes.
Whatever you say is your thinking process only.
So 30.
35.
You scored a 95 out of 150. Just because I think almost every subject was rather weak. The conceptual clarity was not.
Yes, sir. I actually need to revise. I have left touch due to some family issues arose after the mains.
Okay.
So
No,
I
no,
was
just brush up your still
no,
have
ਥੋੜਾ
time.
yes.
voice level ਵਧਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
Yes, sir.
ਥੋੜਾ smile ਕਰਨਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ,
Here also I think you'll have to
ਹੱਸਣਾ
tell
ਆਉਂਦਾ,
not
ਹੱਸ
open
ਕੇ
air.
ਦਿਖਾਓ।
Yes, sir. I will.
ਥੋੜਾ
I will.
smile
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ time ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਥੋੜਾ, ਹੈ ਨਾ?
Yes, sir.
ਟੈਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ, ਸਮਾਈਲ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਘਟ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ।
वैसे भी you are a pleasant
Pause
personality.
otherwise you are very
Very
pleasant,
pleasant.
very soft, very humble.
You will, this is all are these very good points in your favor. But of course, बिल्कुल कोई जवाब ही ना दो,
Yes, sir.
तो कहेंगे कि what's gone wrong.
ਜਿੱਥੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿ ਦੋ ਸੌਰੀ ਸਰ ਆਈ ਡੂ ਨਾਟ ਨੋ ਆਈ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਰੀਡ ਇਟ। ਵੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਸ਼ੋਰ AK-47 ਵਾਂਗੂ ਚੱਲਣਾ, ਫਿਰ ਰੁਕਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ। ਬਰਸਟ ਫਾਇਰ, ਹੈ ਨਾ?
Thank you, Niharika. All the best. Please brush up your laws.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.